All right, take a look at the iDsonix 7-port USB 3.0 hub. So there it is. And that is nice and compact. I like that it's not super wide like some of them that I see. It's like we got an LED there on the front. We got a thick cord on here. And we got a USB 3.0 plug on the front. It is all plastic, which means it's nice and lightweight, which also means it's not going to be scraping up anything that you put in your bag with it. It's a nice solid fit. This is something that I like. Now that it's plugged in, we can see that LED, and it is a fairly faint LED. So it's good enough that you can actually know that this thing's on, but it's not so bright that it's going to be bothering you in the dark. So if I plug my drive in, it does show up right away. And we'll do a speed test just to see what kind of speeds we can get with it. Okay, so yeah, we are getting some excellent speeds. So the sequential 1 megabyte, 8 process, 1 thread, 427 and 252 on the right. For the sequential 1 megabyte, 1 process, 1 thread, we got 334, 225. Then we go down to the random 4K at 32 process, 1 thread, we got 103 and 7. And for the worst case scenario, we got random 4K, 1 process, 1 thread, 14 and 5. So yeah, with a 427 megabyte per second read, this is a perfectly acceptable hub. This is definitely something I'm going to be using.